Could Tesla become the most valuable company in the world? In this video, we'll talk about how much Tesla is expected to grow over the next 5 years, and we'll explain why, despite being one of the most talked about companies, why Tesla could be the most misunderstood stock on Wall Street. Now, before we talk about where Tesla could be going, let's talk about just how far it has come. Remember, back in 2008, Elon Musk basically had to put all of his money into saving the business. Since then, Tesla's revenue has risen by more than 650,000%. And for taking the risk, Elon Musk has become the wealthiest person in the world. Now, I know there's been a lot of talk about Tesla's stock, especially after Donald Trump's election victory. In this video, we're going to move beyond that chatter just to get a sense on where Wall Street sees the business heading in the next few years. And on that front, analysts are expecting that the vehicle demand story will continue to grow at Tesla, and that on average, revenue for Tesla will increase by 145% over the next 5 years. If you compare that to the other so-called Magnificent Seven stocks, only Nvidia is expected to see bigger revenue growth over that same period of time. But compared to Amazon or Alphabet, Apple, Microsoft, or Meta, Tesla is expected to see bigger percentage growth in its revenue versus those companies over the next 5 years. Okay, revenue is one thing, profit is another. On that metric, Tesla is expected to see the biggest growth of all the Magnificent Seven stocks over the next 5 years. On average, analysts on Wall Street are expecting that Tesla's net income will increase by more than 250%. So when you take those two trends, big revenue growth and even bigger profit growth expected over the next 5 years, Tesla stands out as a growth business. And yet, when you look at the Wall Street views on Tesla's stock, generally they are not as favorable as those other technology companies that we mentioned. According to Bloomberg, there are nearly 70 research firms that cover Tesla's stock. 44% have a buy rating, 30% have a so-called hold rating, and the other 26% have a sell rating on Tesla's stock. What are some of the bearish concerns around Tesla? Well, some analysts are watching general demand for electric vehicles right now. Some are curious about when we might see a more affordable Tesla vehicle hit the market, although Elon Musk has already talked about making that happen in the first half of next year. And some are also asking about the current valuation for the business based on the profit that Tesla is generating today. Now, despite those concerns, here's why Tesla could be the most misunderstood stock. Elon Musk himself believes that eventually Tesla will become the most valuable company in the world, and in his estimation, by a long shot, he's focusing on some really big things: the future of energy and energy storage, the future of transportation, self-driving vehicles. He believes that the Cybercab could make Tesla more like an Uber and an Airbnb. And humanoid robots. Tesla's already putting a lot of time and energy into its Optimus robot, which Musk believes could become the most successful product of all time. Now, these are bold moves that sometimes Wall Street analysts can't quite fit into their financial models today. But Musk would counter that by saying, look, Tesla is focused on the future of energy and transport, robotics, and AI at a time when a lot of CEOs are just managing their business for the short term. So, what's your view on Tesla? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and let us know what other stock stories you'd like us to explore in our upcoming videos.